Hey dears, this is TJ from Race. So today we are going to see how fastly we can do the multiplication of 11. It's very easy. After this video, you all will be able to solve the multiplication of 11 within just 2 seconds. Just 2 seconds. It involves 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, or any numbers. Okay, so please hang on with me. So let's start with 2-digit number. First of all, can you tell me what is just a simple one? Can you just tell me fastly what is 13 into 11? Fast. 13 into 11. Okay, just say 15 into 11. Okay, after this video you will be able to do this in just mind. Let's take a number. Let's take it as let's take 52 into 11. So what you have to do is just write 5 is our first number, right? Let's write 5 as the first number itself. 2 is the last number, right? Let's write 2 as the last number itself. What is 5 plus 2? 7. The answer is 572. Clear? Now let's take some other numbers. Let's take 23 into 11. 2 plus 3, 5, then 3. 253 is your answer. Let's take a big number. Let's take 71 into 11. It's nothing but 7 plus 1, 8. 781 is your answer. There's actually a trap hidden over here. Let's check one number. Let's take it as let's take 57. For example, 57. What you will write? You'll just follow the same steps. 5, 7, and what is 5 plus 7? 12. So we don't need to write like this. If it is 2-digit number, if it is more than 1-digit number, you just have to write the unit digit over here, and you just have to add the other rest of the numbers with the previous one. That is 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer here will be 5 plus 1, 6, 2, 7. The answer is 627. You can check it in your calculator. The answer will be 627. So let me take some other numbers like this. Let's take 88 into 11. Okay, let's take 89 into 11. 89 into 11. So what it is? Let's write 8 and 9. What is 8 plus 9? It's very easy, 17. So what you have to do is you just have to write 7 over there, and you have to add this 1 with 8. Okay. So what is the answer? Actual answer? It is going to be 979. The answer is going to be 979. So that was very easy, right? Now let's get into the 3-digit number. So let's take 1, 2, 3 itself. Very good 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3 into 11. So what you will do here is you will also split the numbers over here, but you will take this first 2 digits as the one set and the last digit as the second set. So you just have to write 3 and 1, 2 and leave some space in the middle now. And what is 12 plus 3? 15. So you just have to write 5 over here and add 1 with 12. So what you are going to get here? 12 plus 1, 13, then 5, 3. The answer is going to be 1353. Okay, it applies for all 3-digit number. Let's check one more 3-digit number. Let's take 256. Very good number. Into 11. What is going to be? You just have to split it like 2, 5 and 6. And what is 25 plus 6? It is 31. So what you will do? You just write 1 over here, and 25 plus 3 you have to write. 25 plus 3. So the answer is going to be 2816. 2816. So let's check some more numbers as well, similar type. Let's take 983 into 11. What you will do? 98, then 3. What is 98 plus 3? 98 plus 3 is 101, right? So what you will do? You just write 1 over here, and 98 plus 10. What is 98 plus 10? Plus 10, it is 108, right? So you just have to write 98 as 108. The answer is going to be 10813. You can check it in your calculator. 983 into 11 is going to be 10813. So for all such multiplications of 11, you can just follow the same steps itself. So let's check a 4-digit number. Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4 itself. What you will do here is you will just take this last digit as one group and the first 3 digits as one group. So what you will write here? 1, 2, 3 as one set and 4 as the other set. What now you have to add 1, 2, 3 plus 4. What it is? 1, 2, 7, right? So you just have to write 7 over here, and 1, 2 is remaining, right? You just have to add it. 123 plus 1, 2. What is 5, 3, 1, 135. So instead of 1, 2, 3, you just have to write 135. And I'm doing this step by step. That's why it is taking more time. You can just do it in your mind. It's just Vedic maths. Okay, let's fastly do it. One more number. Let's take it out. 3, 2, 5, 6 into 11. So what is 3, 2, 5, 6 into 11, my dears? So you just have to write 3, 2, 5, then 6. What is 325 plus 6? It is nothing but 331. So just write 1 over here. What is 325 plus 33? It's very easy. 325 plus 30 is 355. 358 it is going to be. 35816. 35816. It's very easy. Okay, it's very easy and it's applicable for all the numbers, not just 2 digit, not just 3 digit, not just 4 digit. It's applicable for all the numbers. You can just do it in your mind. Okay, so now please tell me what will be you just put in the comment section. Okay, what will be the answer for, fastly you have to do it, 3899 into 11. I just want the answers in the comment section. Okay, so please follow the Rise Class 10 CBSE for more such videos. I'm going to upload many short tricks videos, how to find the square numbers, how to find the cubic numbers, how to find square root, cube roots. Such short tricks I'll be uploading. And if you like this video and if you want more such videos, please let me know in the comment section itself. So bye bye, take care.